Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look. There's going to be drinking, smoking, and swearing. If you can't handle that, leave now. Look. My name is Shamari. Here I come. Bang! Bang! Welcome, brothers. Well, brothers, all right. We have an interesting night tonight. We have a great show tonight. We are going to talk about bang. Yo, you see how these Bitcoin prices are going down? Yo, mining companies can't handle this shit. Bang, bang. Big news in the Bitcoin mining world. Bang, bang. And the OTC stuff. So, brothers, if you've been here, you should know. If you're a cryptocurrency blockchain news show watcher, you should already know what OTC is. But over-the-counter buyers, I'm going to talk to you about why the prices of things are down. And this time I'm going to show you. Yesterday I just told you, but yes, the news caught up to Shamari. And so now I'm going to actually read it to you from an expert. And also, but bang, 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 a lot of action happening behind the scenes. And that's what I want to bring you, brothers. Look, my subscribers are smart. And that's what you are going to be. You're going to be the best subscribers on YouTube. We're going to know shit. And I'm going to show you guys. Bang! Binance OTC investments. Yep. And I'm going to explain OTC, all that shit. Don't worry about that. Bang. Then, now, Bakkt says they love Bitcoin. And this is why I'm telling you. And we're going to talk about this later. If you can afford it. Like, if you're like me, I can afford them. I can afford a Bitcoin. I can afford a bunch. It's just how much you want to get, right? Like how much you want to take out of your real bank and put into this thing, right? But look. Bitcoin. Okay? Get your Bitcoin. And also, Bakkt is going to tell us their philosophy. And also, they're going to show us, like, they're going to put other stuff, They're going to make other futures and other investment vehicles. So, bang, and then we'll do shout-outs and airdrops. All right, so let's get her going. Let's get her started, brothers. Let us do how we do. And how we do is we go bang, and then we do a refresh. Bang. Ooh, okay, where are we at? All right, Bitcoin's still down to 4.5. Bang, 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 bang. Guys, remember? Just a week ago, we were 2,000 up. I'm not going to bullshit you. I bought half a Bitcoin last night. Half of one. Because I want to see if it's going to go down more. Like, I didn't want it to go up on me. I was like, oh, should I get a Bitcoin or not? And I was like, oh, well, Shamari, you don't want it to go, you don't want it to go up on you again, man. Like, so I just bought, so I said like this, okay, I'm not going to get a whole one, just a half of one, just a half. So I got my half. I got my half Bitcoin last night. And look. All you guys, hold on. I'm trying to adjust my Windows used to let me show you. There we go. Right? So you can see the prices on the right-hand side there. Okay, there we go. Right? When my head covers up the price, it's like, what the hell? All right, and you can see what things I have open. Whatever. All right. So, but bang, brothers. All right. Let's look at the top 10 of the day. Bang. Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Stellarios, Litecoin, Tether, Cardano, and Monero. Bang. Now, we have, well, it's just a slight retrace. Is that called a dead cat bounce? Look, brothers. Google this. Dead cat bounce. You know what a dead cat bounce is? Yes, Ronk. I know you know. That's the stock guy shit. So stock guys who are in the stock markets, they they have this term. It's called a dead cat bounce. Whenever an asset moves really fast down, like, a huge move down, and then it retraces just a little bit. In other words, that big long drop, that's the dead cat, and that little retrace, that's the cat bouncing. So this is sick, but just imagine this. You take a little cat. All right. And you throw it off a building. of a high building. A high building. You know, not some little shitty building. You take a cat. You're on like 100-foot, 100-story building. You throw that fucker. You throw that fucker over the building. Ow! Right? And then when it hits the ground, so here's the ground. Bang, here's you. You throw the cat. Bang, and it does a little bounce. Did you know that? It's crazy, but that's the truth. Did you know that? If you're in a parachute and your parachute doesn't open, when you're a human and you hit the ground, boop, you actually bounce. Anyway, it's so stupid. Oh, guys, you know, luck. I can fuel like I used to, but don't get it twisted. The fuel is here. It's among us. So, brothers, bang. Top 10 losers of the day. What's on sale? Metaverse CTP, Hollow, Monocoin, ODEM, MOAC, TrueUSD, Electroneum, USD Coin, Bytecoin, and Paxos Standard. Bang. Who made money today? Bang. What we got? Nexo, Loopring, Boscoin, Golem, Basic Attention, Status, Pivx, Populus, Augur, and Aeon. All right. And let's look at our total market cap of the day. 149 billion. Ouch. That's pathetic. And market cap, look, way down. Like, what were we at? Beginning of the week, we're at 24 billion a day. We're down to 16. So it looks like things are settling down a little bit. And I'm going to show you why. Look, brothers, you know, that's what Shamar is here for. Fuck sticks. You can go watch all your other YouTubers. You want the real news? You come fucking right here, buddy. And so I got you. And so we're going to talk about a little bit of bullshit first. And then I'm going to get you into why the market is making this move. And sort of just the vibes of how we're going to play out these next 4 months. Let me put that down here. Well, how I'm going to buy now. I don't tell you what to do with your money. I'm just telling you. I'm just going to give you my opinion. Bang. As an 18-year investor. All right. So let's start it out, brothers. Bang. Bitcoin mining firm Gigawatts declares bankruptcy owing millions. Yo, man. And this is that thing. This attaches to the stuff that Justin was saying a few months ago. And one of the brothers was saying again, yo, man. And the Nouriel Roubini thing. I know you guys hate Nouriel, but the Nouriel Roubini thing, like, if things are based on mining and in another country and all this, like, wow. And anyways, but all right, let's just get out of that. We'll get to there when we get there one day. But today's story is Bitcoin mining firm. What the fuck? Oh, you fucking piece of shit right here. All right, let's read it. Yeah, man, these guys are getting cleaned. Their clocks are getting cleaned. It costs whatever megawatts an hour to mine a Bitcoin. And anyways, it's not working out. U.S.-based Bitcoin mining firm Gigawatt has declared bankruptcy with millions still owed to creditors. Ouch. The firm filed the Chapter 11 bankruptcy at a court in the Eastern District of Washington on Monday, revealing that it still owes its biggest 20 unsecured creditors nearly $7 million in court documents, or nearly $7 million in court documents seen by Coindesk, near $7 million. Ouch. Creditors include the utilities provider in its Douglas County base, having a claim of $310,000. So the guys that gave him the energy, and electricity provider Naples Electric, which is owed almost $500,000. Ouch. Gigawatt. Anyway, fuck all that. The corporation is insolvent. So this is what the Gigawatt guy says. The corporation is insolvent and unable to pay debts when due. Read the minutes of a special meeting of the shareholders of Gigawatt, which was held on November 18th. The operation and its creditors would best be served by reorganization of the corporation under Chapter 11. Anyways, so, all right, let's just read a little bit more. Gigawatt was founded by Bitcoin miner David Carlson. Opened the industry to small-scale miners by creating customized mining pods, along with a cheap and stable electricity supply and around-the-clock maintenance at a facility in Central Washington. Obviously, that didn't work. But bang, the reason I bring this up is, bang. You see when prices go down, I mean, these guys are going to keep mining and mining, but fuck. You could price Bitcoin out of itself. Do you see what I'm saying? Like, this is just speculation. I'm just making this shit up right now as I'm saying this, but just what I'm seeing is, well, if Bitcoin ever did go down to way down, how long could the miners last? You know what I'm saying? How long could the miners last? And that could be an implosion. All right, we're all quitting. Fuck this. This didn't work. Well, it worked for them. I mean, they made their money, but I mean, it's not working anymore. So off to the next project, right? Anyway, whatever, man. I don't really give a fuck about that, but just something to know, brothers. It was the big news all day. Oh, Giga. What's it called? Gigawatt declares bankruptcy. This is a cryptocurrency and blockchain news show, so I got to tell you the news. And that was the news. Now we're going to talk about real money, though. Fuck this shit. Fuck that bullshit. Now, brothers. So, this is the shit. I told you already yesterday why the market is going down. I know that today you're reading a lot of articles, and they're telling you that, oh, the Bitcoin Cash hard fork made the market go down. How does that happen, moron? It doesn't work like that. Oh, the SEC cracking down on the ICOs made the market go down. How does that do anything? That has nothing to do with whether Tron just made a new partnership. It's fucking moronic. Okay? All those excuses are moronic. Those are tech nerds finding excuses of why the market's going down. But you're not with the tech nerd. You're the market guy. And I'm going to show you the market reason why the market is down. All right? Stop listening to that bullshit. I'm telling you, fuck you up. It'll fuck you up. The crypto market sell-off is starting to convince some long-term Bitcoin holders who first bought Bitcoin in early 2017 to cave and sell their assets. That's what's happening, guys. I told you about the new OTC guys that came last month. Bang! Hold on, let's take a look. Bang, bang, bang. We don't really have to take a look right now because nothing's really going on over there. It's all coming, but, you know, there's no action. But look. And so, in the past couple months, we've seen a lot of over-the-counter action. I explained to you, if you're new here, I explained to you over-the-counter. So first of all, get Investopedia and just go into OTC. Type OTC. Believe me, it'll come up. Or over-the-counter if you want to type it in words. But I'll tell you what over-the-counter is right now. Over-the-counter is me and you and I. If you're watching me, you're probably a regular Joe. We have to buy off of exchanges, right? Binance, Coinbase, whatever exchange you, Bitfinex, whatever you want. But OTC guys, those are institutional investors. Well, or even high net worth individuals. They're allowed to go there too. So, but they have a lot of money. And so what happens with OTC is they don't buy Bitcoin from Binance. You know what I mean? Like, they're not here to buy 10, 20, 1,000 Bitcoin. They're here to buy 10,000 Bitcoin at once, at one time. We'll read it. You'll see. Well, you're not going to see, but believe me, man. Just fucking believe me, all right? I'm a market guy. I'll tell you. All right? But you are going to see. And they buy 10,000 at a time. So they can't buy 10,000 Bitcoin off of Binance. So what does an OTC guy do? When you have that kind of money, those kind of millions and billions, you don't go to fucking Binance like a chump. You go directly to the miner. Well, you go to a broker who has connections to the miner, and then the broker sets up the deal for you, and you get your Bitcoins directly from a miner. And That's what's happening in Bitcoin real heavy right now, in Ripple heavy right now. And that's why I said I'm going to take a real hard look at Ripple again, because Ripple is taking a lot of this back end action is happening on the Ripple side as well. And the Bitcoin, well, obviously Bitcoin, but in terms of altcoins, well, the ones that aren't commodities, Ripple's the one everyone's gunning at. And so that's what OTC is, okay, guys? So let's proceed. All right, where are we at here? What the fuck? Slow down. The crypto market sell-off starting to convince some longtime Bitcoin holders who first bought BTC in early 2017 to cave and sell their assets. At least that's what Michael Morrow, CEO of crypto trading firm Genesis, told the block. According to Morrow, his firm is now seeing. So this is the OTC guy that I was telling you yesterday. I think this is the same guy. It might be a different company, but I mean, they're all going to be seeing the same thing, right? Is now seeing the folks who bought in early 2017 sell for the first time today, as they are now getting close to their cost basis. Investors who bought in Q1 of 2017 would have secured their Bitcoin somewhere between 900 and 1300. They then watched their assets surge to an all-time high of 1978, blah, 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 and change on December 2017. Prices have steadily decreased in 2018 before stabilizing between 6,000 and 7,000 in August. That stability was rocked last week when prices suddenly plummeted below the psychological barrier of 6,000, culminating in a new low of 4,100 for 2018, according to Coinbase. So, says Danzy Kim, the head of growth at S-Fox, a cryptocurrency prime dealer for large-scale investors and high net worth individuals, volatility ultimately boils down exactly fuck sticks. And that's why I want you to if you're out there and you're like worried, like, oh my gosh, this is a look. Supply and demand. These OTC guys who bought their shit early last year, they're liquidating. They're just taking their profits. That's all. It's called profit taking. Google that. Profit taking. That's all they're doing. And that's why we're seeing, and which is a benefit for us. Don't be crying that you're seeing a blood red market. You should be happy because, I mean, I know I said it before. I don't think there's going to be one. And then we had this one. So I'm not going to say it again. But man, take advantage of this one while you can. Take advantage. Fuck, brothers. All right, so that's it. And so the reason I brought that up is the ICO market. ICO. Fuck ICOs. The OTC market, the over-the-counter market with the big boys. Now, bang. Where is it? Bang. What's going on here? Binance invests $3 million in what? In a what? Look, brothers. That's why Shamari's here for you. Bang. Bang. In an OTC trading desk. And so what I want you to understand about that is what that means is that motherfuckers, OTCs are big money boys. So even though you're seeing on your little exchange or your little blockfolio, whatever, that is tracking your little fucking investments, don't worry about it. You're going to be rich. Like, you are going to be rich. Why? Because you have OTC trading desks. Those are billionaires that are coming. They're not stupid. They don't give up. I'm going to tell you the truth. Now that Bitcoin's down, I bet you they're buying even way more. They know what their buddies are going to do. They know what the big bankers are going to do. I've told you this 100 times. They eat with them. They drink with them. They play golf together. They know. And Binance now, bang, OTC trading desk. Like, okay, it was one thing to have a trading desk like Charles Schwab. Look, look, look. OTC means big money. You can't go OTC. I can't go OTC. I mean, I don't know. Maybe you can. I mean, maybe you are rich like that, and you're just like, man, I just like this little fucker, and you're just watching me. But I'm pretty much assuming you're a 9-to-5 worker bee. You can't go OTC. None of us can. But the fact that Binance is building an OTC, investing in an OTC trading desk, what does that tell you? They know that millionaires and billionaires are coming. Oh, and this is what. All right. And so, yes, now we're here at the point of the show. Okay. Are we? Oh, I was going to do it the back part. Whatever, man. Let's just do it here. Look, look, look. So, guys, we are pretty much, in terms of the rest of this year, we're pretty much done our news. What was it yesterday we talked about? The major things. What do we pivotal year. Yeah, new year. The rest of this year, we're going to watch. Let's see how. All right. So let me calm down and explain to you. So these OTC guys are going to do what they want to do for a while. So we're going to watch what they do. We're going to watch how far they bring the market down and then try to buy at the lowest point. Right? I mean, that's what we're all going to try to do. Now, we're coming to a pivotal, and so because we're coming to this pivotal point, in terms of news, crypto news and everything, I don't see much happening. I mean, maybe some partnerships will happen. I mean, I'll report on it. But in terms of the bigger market, the institutional, the whole thing, you know what I mean? Each crypto will do its own thing. But in terms of the bigger market, I see us right now. We're in an OTC sell-off. We're going to buy and hodl. Next January is when we're going to see the next big moves. So in another 6 weeks is when we should see big moves. Why? Next, in the 6 weeks, we will see whether Trump launches this fucking trade war or not. That's going to be huge for us as a market. We're also going to see the Bakkt thing come on in January. And like I said yesterday, the ETFs, all those rulings are coming out in February. So before next year, in terms of from now till the end of next year, till the end of this year, we're just coasting. We're coasting. I mean, I'm going to keep reporting, blah, blah, but we're just going to be coasting. And next year is when we have to. So for now, what I would tell you guys is, relax, settle down, just get your money on you get your fiat where you got to buy your stuff, as the market goes down, fill your warehouse, nice and quiet, nice and chill. And we're just chilling. Next January, next February, we're going to be back in the game. So enjoy this 6 weeks of relative calm and just build your warehouse relatively calmly, knowing that we have what's coming forward, and it's going to be a shit show. So it's going to be fun. So, all right. So what are we talking about? OTC shit. Yes. Binance's venture wing will make a significant investment in Koi Trading, a U.S. over-the-counter crypto trading desk. Over-the-counter, OTC. I told you what OTC is. In a press release to the media, Binance Lab announced that it had committed to a $3 million investment to the San Francisco-based trading platform. Koi Trading's mission is to bridge fiat and cryptocurrencies in a compliant manner. Compliant, said in the press release Ella Zhang, head of Binance Labs. This aligns with our broader vision at Binance to build the infrastructure which provides the freedom of value exchange globally. In addition to their California headquarters, Koi Trading has satellite offices in Hong Kong and Europe, according to its website. Koi Trading's goal is to be a compliant global option for private cryptocurrency liquidity. The company also offers assistance with data science, quantitative research, and compliance consulting work. And here is the point of the story is this: the rise of OTC and cryptocurrency markets. With the increase in regulations around the world, OTC trading is becoming more dominant in the crypto sphere. In countries such as China, OTC trading has even become the preferred method of trading for large-scale institutional investors and crypto enthusiasts, and is conducted through VoIP, voice over IP, chat apps such as WeChat. However, OTC markets possess significant drawbacks when compared to traditional ones, such as higher risks and the lack of trusted professional options. That's why you got to go to a broker. Binance Labs hopes its investment in koi trading will help find a global solution for the disadvantage of OTC trading. With Koi Labs' robust AML, anti-money laundering program, extensive banking relations in the U.S., investments from Binance Labs, and strong trust amongst counterparties in the Greater China, we aim to be the market nexus that reduces trust and information asymmetry and improves cryptocurrency OTC deal close rate. The deal close rate. Yeah. So you and I, we go, like, I buy my shit on Coinbase or Binance. Like, that's kind of where I get my shit, right? I mean, you have to be some obscure ass coin for me to have to go get it somewhere else. But, and so sometimes, like yesterday, when I bought my Bitcoin, it was cheaper on Bitcoin than Binance. So I bought it on Bitcoin instead, right? Well, I was happy because that's where my fiat was. And so, but because I would have to spend more to buy less. It would have been stupid. Anyway, whatever. But just, that's the same thing in the OTC market. Like, in the OTC market, all right, this OTC broker, he can offer you Bitcoins at, say, let's look at the prices here, right? The big dogs, they can get prices that say, all right, so Bitcoin's 4,500 and change. So let's call it 4.6. They can get Bitcoins at 4.4. Right, but on other markets, maybe it is 4.6, maybe it's 4.2 on others, though. Right, maybe it's 4 on others even. So that's how they got to do it. So it's gonna improve that, in that the deal close rate will be closer. It won't be hundreds of dollars difference, right? Like the kimchi tax, right? In South Korea, if you bought a Bitcoin on Coinbase last year, yeah, it cost you 30% more on a South Korea exchange last year. That's called the kimchi tax. All right. OTC trading remains a growing market worldwide with frequent 6-digit transfers. That's what I'm talking about. These OTC guys, they're not buying 1,000 Bitcoin. They buy 100,000 at a time. You know what I mean? They're not buying, 10,000 Ripple. They're buying 10 million Ripple at a time. All right. In October, Bloomberg released its report on OTC trading, in which it claimed that OTC is becoming the preferred way of trading for institutional. Bang! That's how our brothers, look. Not our brothers. Look. That's how they're trading. They're coming in behind the scenes right now, OTC over the counter. So remember I told you guys in here, these are in CoinMarketCap. This is 16 billion of exchange traded market cap. That's not the total market cap of the day, though. The real money, if you added that plus OTC, I bet you OTC is buying more than 16 billion a day. I'm telling you guys, don't worry, brothers. I'll bring you into the deep. You're going to get into the deep. All right, so that's how that works with OTC. Bang, let's get on over to Bakkt. And now, brothers, we're going to get back to OTC stuff, because that's a big deal here in this market right now. It's a big deal. All right. So Bakkt is interesting. They're focusing on Bitcoin because of its nature, its liquidity, and legal status. And that's what I told you about. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. I don't give a fuck about what you think about the project. Their legal status, bang. And the fact that they're on fucking the Bloomberg terminal already. Guaranteed money. And that's what I wanted to bring up. Now, if you can afford it, get your Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum now. Why, Shamari? Why should I get that now? Why should I buy that when I can make all this money in VeChain? I know. I just bought half a Bitcoin last night. I gotta fucking put that in VeChain, and holy, I told you, VeChain is going to be the moneymaker. I mean, get real. They're partnered with everyone, and their shit is like not even a penny. That's gonna be stupid. But when they first get here, when these institutional investors first get here, this is my opinion. So, guys, I'm just giving you my opinion. I'm an 18-year investor. Okay, this is totally my opinion. That's it. That's all I can tell you. When these institutional investors, bang, first get here, what are they going to be buying? Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, right? Why Bitcoin? Well, because what are the futures going to be? Bitcoin futures. What are those ETFs going to be? Yeah, Bitcoin ETFs. So if you buy Bitcoin now, or if you have them, just whatever. And your Ethereum and Litecoin. Sorry. And so what are the next things that are going to be? Litecoin futures, Ethereum futures, Ethereum ETFs. Those are already being talked about. I haven't talked about them because when they happen, they'll happen. And I'll tell you about. Believe me, guys, I'm telling you. That's what's the next online. Bitcoin and Ethereum. And so when these guys first get here, that's what's going to blast. Now, are you saying I should sell my altcoins and get Bitcoin? No. Because look at this. And that's the beauty. When Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. When Bitcoin goes down, what the fuck happened here? When Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. Right? And so, wait, all right, hold on. Oh, here we go. And so, and that's what I'm saying. When these guys first get here, they're going to be buying the Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. But that's also going to drive the price of everything up. But if you own those right now, you can suck a lot because the growth, a 6-point move in Bitcoin is thousands of dollars. Well, I don't know about thousands, probably hundreds though. Whereas a 6-point move in Stellar is point something of a penny. So if you have Bitcoin now, and this is just sort of a trading strategy, when it goes up 20%, think about how huge that is. Meanwhile, the underlying currencies that you want, the other ones you want, your IOTAs, your VeChains, your Stellars, your Ripple, will have gone up, a penny or two. Bang, and you can buy back in, right? Do you know what I'm saying? Use the Bitcoins and Ethereums and that as the first chunk of wealth. Bang, then pump it back in to what you know is going to grow, and then ride that. I mean, I guess I'm saying that's kind of what I'm thinking of doing lately. All right. How did we get it to all that? Holy crap. All right, guys. Backed, focused on Bitcoin for its nature, liquidity, and legal structure. Oh, that's why I was bringing all that shit up. Yeah, right. Because Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum, they're already, all right, let's read. They're already classified as commodities, so these guys are going to pump that first. All this other stuff, all our Trons, our Stellars, our IOTAs, our this, our that, that's going to take a minute. So if you pump up now, if you get stocked now with the stuff that's going to get sold first, you can reinvest in the stuff you know is going to come later, right? That's what I'm trying to say. That took a long time. Holy, sorry, guys. Man, I'm trying to feed my kids tomorrow. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to get back to my wife, dog. Lock. Bakkt's decision to postpone its Bitcoin BTF futures market caused disappointment in several members of the... Wait, did we read this shit already? No. However, despite the disappointment, Bakkt's team has been emphatic in highlighting that a futures market in Bitcoin will happen and that they're working hard on getting all the pieces together to do that. We did read this. What? Look. Oh, you're drunk, guy. Also, look. All right, man. Look. I don't know if we read this. So, man, I'm sorry, guys. This is fucked up. I got to talking so happy about the OTC and everything. I can't remember. So I don't bore you. Look, so that's it. Look. No, but look. I don't know if we... This is weird. Okay. They're focusing on it. No, we didn't read this. Although the delay was to provide a better service, the company made a new series of tweets. I read this earlier. That's why. Because I read these a bunch of times a day, man. Fuck. I don't know if I read it to you or read it to myself. An optimistic view of Bitcoin and the reasons behind the choice of this cryptocurrency over any other adoption that could have been considered. So why did we choose this? In a 2-tweet statement, the company was able to perfectly condense the reasons that make Bitcoin a solid product with prospects of gaining more and more importance in the financial markets. They commenced that the danger of being categorized as a security has already passed, and that the legal situation of this cryptocurrency is favorable for a large cap futures market. Exactly. The danger of being classified as a security for Bitcoin is past. We know Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, commodities, that danger has passed. And that's why when these big boys, I know, guys, I've been rambling a little bit. But look, just come on, follow along. When these big boys get here, they're not going to want to handle any problems. Well, what's not a problem? Anything that's a fucking commodity. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. And that's what exactly Bakkt says. That's why we chose it. Because why? The danger of being categorized as security is past. And why else do they say? I usually don't read tweets, but let's go. Bitcoin today accounts for over half of the total crypto market capitalization and has been deemed to be a commodity. Bang! Commodity. And its diversification are regulated in the U.S. by the CFTC as the world's most liquid and widely distributed cryptocurrency. Whoa. Where the fuck we go here? Widely distributed cryptocurrency. What the hell? Oh, here we go. Customer demand. Bitcoin's profile creates a liquid product on which to build a futures contract. All right. So, bang. So, guys. All right. What I wanted to show you is the OTC stuff. Fuck, this little drink is getting me twisted. I'm nice. Hold on. All right, hold on. I'm nice. Let's get to shout-outs and airdrops. Bang. Trunkez. Son of a bitch. See you, brother. Bang. Bang. What else we got? Cell Block Inc. See you, brother. Bang. DP Entertainment. See you, brother. Bang. Bob, 844-11320. Go there and get your airdrops. There hasn't been many lately, but bang. Stay vigilant and stay alert, brothers. Herald Trader, see you, brother. Bang. What else we got? Oh, you know what? Look. We're going to do some of you guys. Let's see. Let's go. Let's shout out some of our new subscribers. All right, if you're new around these parts, probably wondering why me and my crew are laughing our asses off as it gets blood red. Luck. New subscriber, Edwin Rosales, I see you, brother. Bang. 37 minutes ago while I've been talking. Bang. Richard Gordon, see you, brother. Bang. New subscriber, VTI 6, see you, brother. Bang. William Burkett, see you, brother. Bang. Saeed Amalak. See you, brother. Bang. Hold up, hold up. We got more brothers. What we got? We got, man, subscribers. We got going on here. What we got going on here? Oh, Crypto Edie girl. See you, girl. Bang. All right, no more. All right, let's see what we got. Any airdrops? Anyone? Martin. Pills, send them the little XRP. See you, brother. Bang. Hodel Hill. See you, brother. Bang. All the usual suspects. And then we got down here, crypto news. Bang. All right. Well, oh, Bitcoin Doodle. Love you, brother. Bang. Oh, and there's my brother, Edwin. Crazy man, Edwin. Mwah. Love you, brother. Wow. Edwin. Bang. He needs a bang. Everybody needs a bang. All right, brother. So that's it, guys. Man, it's been a good night. So really the point of tonight's whole show was, though, I want you to get that we are in sort of a holding pattern. The big action is going to come in, January, February. That's where we're going to get rulings. In this trade war thing, I don't want to talk about it because I don't want to scare you guys. But, man, it might get risk off and get stupid. But whatever, man. Just look. So between now, the next 6 weeks, between now and the end of this year, we're just watching OTC guys sell their shit and drive the markets down. So buy the dips, brothers, and I will see you tomorrow. So subscribe below, press the bell, press the like button, the thumbs up, so everybody knows that you liked it. And I will see you tomorrow. My name is Shamari Clark. This is the favorite time of my day. Like I said, it's a little therapeutic. I get to talk to people who actually care about what the fuck I care about. So I love talking to you guys, and I'm a market guy, so I know that I get to give you 9 to 5 guys a little deeper insight than these little tech nerds on YouTube. Well, they're not even tech nerds. They're 9 to 5 worker bees give you on YouTube. So, bang, guys. I will see you tomorrow. I love you guys all. My name is Shamari Clark. Always on duty. Bang. Over and out.